Hello, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Today, guys, I'm showing how to cook. I forgot to show you from the beginning. Yeah, I'm cooking small pilau. Small pilau. We call it pilau in Kenya. Yeah, I'm cooking for 3 people. Yeah. So I've already put some onions, meat, garlic, and ginger. Yeah. So let's continue, guys. Okay. And oil. I've already put oil. Yeah. Yes, guys. Let me now add some tomatoes. I just cut the tomatoes direct. As you know, when you are cooking for yourself, you don't need even the chopping board. Yeah, just put that like this. My hands are the chopping board. I'm putting 2 tomatoes. I've already washed the tomatoes. Yeah. Now it's putting inside. There are those people who prepare direct, but everyone is a way of cooking. Everyone is a way of cooking. So this is my way of cooking. Let me add small oil because I can see the oil is not enough. At least for the pilau taste. Let me wait for the tomatoes to simmer for some time. Yeah. Yes. Like setting the camera. I know you can't see me. We have this pilau masala. We are using the pilau masala. Yeah. I've already put the garlic because pilau without garlic is not a pilau. Yes. Oh, let me show you the way it's looking like. See? Yeah. Now let me put the pilau masala. Yes, guys. Let me put the pilau masala. Then there's another pilau masala. Yes, there is another pilau. Yes, this is a new one. There is this pilau masala still. Yeah, let me put the whole of it. And then let me add some Maggi. I use Maggi cubes. Let me put like 3 because the pilau is not that much and I've not put Royco or something else. It's the Maggi Royco. You can call it the cube. To make it taste. Yeah, that's the Maggi. If you are here, you could be feeling a sweet smell. Wow, sweet smell. Smelling good. Very good and looking yummy. Yeah, the fire is too much. Wow. Let me show you. See, see, very nice. Okay, guys, now I need to put some water. These cups, like three. Yeah, one, two, three. Because I'm putting these two cups. Two cups. The salt is on here. Yes. Now I get some rice. Let me put rice ready. Yeah, this is the rice. And I'm using the sherry rice. Yeah. Now guys, let me wash. I want you to see the way I'm washing. Water has boiled. As you can see. Yeah. Let me now put some rice. Some rice. Wow. Let me show. Oh, hope God will bless me to buy tripod. I'm struggling by carrying this, but soon I know God will make a way where there is no way. I buy a tripod. Do we call it tripod or we call it tripod? It's tripod. I know that. Depends with your English. Depends with your English teacher or where you come from. British English or American English. For me, I call it tripod. Yeah. See, I'm covering like this for some time. Then, when it starts boiling, I'll reduce the fire. I'll reduce the fire. Guys, now we can do some other things. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to Covenanta YouTube channel. Like, share, and please, guys, load me to 1,000. Tell a friend and a friend and a friend. Yes, guys. Okay, as we are waiting for our pilau, let me do the cleaning of this. Yes. Very fast I do the cleaning. Yeah. Okay. Guys, let me show you my pilau. Wow. See, the pilau is ready and looking yummy. Is it? Wow. Let me know from the comment section. What do you think about my pilau? Is it looking yummy? Wow. Let's wait for the dinner. We eat dinner. Subscribe to Covenanta. Please like the video, share the video. Wow. See you to the next video.